Hello children, in the previous class we have discussed about the concept of ratios and its applications. What is the definition of ratio, then how we are using the concept of ratios in our daily life. Now we are going to solve few problems in first exercise of the chapter ratios and its applications. First problem, what is the ratio of 100 rupees and 10 rupees? Express your answer in the simplest form. This is very easy problem. Listen carefully, children. Here we have to observe the units of the both quantities. First one 100 rupees, second one 10 rupees. So both the values, both the quantities are containing same units. So A is to B also written as A by B. Therefore 100 is to 10 also written as 100 divided by 10. 10 ones, 10 tens. Now 10 divided by 1. The ratio is 10 is to 1. In the second example, Sudha has 5 rupees money with Radha is 3 times the money with Sudha. Sudha and Radha. Sudha has 5 rupees. So here the units are rupees. Radha is 3 times the money with Sudha. So 3 into Sudha's money. Sudha having 5 rupees. So 3 into 5. Ratio between Sudha and Radha is equal to 5 is to 3 into 5. 5 is to 3 5s are 15. So instead of writing A is to B as a by B, we can cancel directly. So 5 ones, 5 threes. So 1 is to 3. The answer is 1 is to 3. Here first bit, what is the ratio of Radha's money and Sudha's money? In second bit, what is the ratio of Sudha's money and Radha's money? Let us consider Sudha with a letter S and Radha with a letter R. Here Radha having 15 rupees, Sudha having 5 rupees. So 5 ones, 5 threes. In first bit, the ratio between Radha and Sudha is 3 is to 1. So Radha having 3 times of money more than Sudha. In converse, second bit, Sudha is to Radha, the reverse ratio of first bit gives the answer of second bit. So in first bit, the answer is 3 is to 1. So here directly we can write 1 is to 3. In the next problem, the length of a line segment AB is 38 centimeters. Children, already we know the difference between line and line segment. Line segment contains two end points. Line contains no end points. So, this is the representation of line. This is the representation of line segment.